What's good, future millionaires? We back with another banger. So we got an interesting article here. We know how big artificial intelligence has become over since this year has began. ChatGPT, all these predictive learning models that have came out, all these different software that we're seeing to help basically make our daily lives easier, our jobs easier. And I find it interesting, all the time when I see these articles with different AI price predictions, because basically I'm waiting for that time where AI is just completely on point. Not sure if it could ever happen, but, I know we can get closer, to where, human due diligence plus AI, combined together can definitely give us, the edge to a lot of different things. So looking forward to that time. Also, when it comes to Shiba Inu, why not take a look at it? So an analytical and machine learning algorithm has given out Shiba Inu price prediction for March 31st, 2023. Shiba Inu is currently trading at that 1108 level after the cryptocurrency markets rallied this month, post the positive CPI data. Inflation in the U.S. fell to 6% from the previous month, which stood at 6.4%. The report made Bitcoin climb above 25,000, making the entire cryptocurrency market, including SHIB, go up along with it. However, despite the recent rally, SHIB is trading nearly 15% lower from its price in February. In this article, we will highlight what Shiba Inu's price could be on March 31st, 2023, according to the machine learning algorithm. So, Shiba Inu, what could its price be on March 31st? Price prediction is a machine learning and algorithm-based price indicator that uses artificial intelligence. It calculates a token's moving average, relative strength index, moving average convergence divergence, and Bollinger Bands and other indicators. The AI has predicted Shiba Inu's price for March 31st. The machine learning algorithm predicted that Shiba Inu's price could be at the 11 level on March 31st, 2023. So therefore, SHIB could trade sideways this month and not spurt up in price. According to the forecast, the token is currently trading at the same number and might not deliver profits to holders in the next 2 weeks. SHIB has spiked nearly 77% from January to mid-February this year, but shed most of its gains thereon. The market remains on a slippery slope due to the banking crisis that could send leading stocks tumbling down. Therefore, it is advised to remain cautious this month as the markets are volatile. So if you're familiar, the three different banks basically on the verge of collapsing. One officially collapsed, but basically, it's shaky times right now. The market is facing liquidity issues. There's still likely a few other banks to possibly collapse, or a few other negative catalysts that could pop up and surprise us due to the ripple effect from this situation. We already seen it with the FTX, Voyager, Celsius, 3 Arrows Capital. We know this can happen now. We already seen the major banks of exchanges like KuCoin, Gemini Exchange. Their banks are facing issues. So what could that mean for the exchanges? So we want to connect some dots. Be careful if you're on any of these exchanges. I always recommend y'all to have cold storage devices, whether it's Ledger, Trezor Wallet. There's some new ones that are popping up as well, but just make sure you do your own due diligence. So they're saying Shiba Inu at the end of this month will basically be trading right around where we always see Bone getting hammered, 125 down 13% today due to that FUD around the developer copying the chain ID of the Renaya chain, which it basically came out. A lot of people are saying that the developer Cal for Shiba Inu copied the code. It wasn't the code, it was the chain ID. And it's not that he took it, it was just the chain IDs are automatically generated, and you have to double check to make sure that they aren't registered with someone else, and that he failed to do. Now we know he just lost his father, so he's going through some things. I'm not sure when that took place, but I think that's a big mistake, but it's not anything like with malice, or anything shady, if you ask me. The crypto market cap right now sitting at 1.09 trillion. Nice. We got another 0.01 trillion added to the market right now in the last about hour. Bitcoin 24,968, ETH at 1675, BNB 331, XRP 36, Cardano 32, Matic 114, Doge 7 cent, Sol at 1968.609, Shiba Inu at 10, well, basically at that 105 level. Basically trading sideways. So he's predicting that the price might be up a little bit from where we are right now at the end of the month. So don't expect anything too exciting if you're going off of the AI price prediction. It can be boring sometimes in the space, and sometimes honestly when it gets too quiet and it gets too boring, I kind of get excited sometimes because I know that we're due for something, big to happen when that usually happens. Once the market gets bored, some people start to shake themselves off. They panic sell, they paper hand out of their positions. That gives us opportunity to accumulate more tokens for a cheaper price. And once the market returns, with that momentum, we start to see all our gains pour in. So that's the way you do it, man. Appreciate y'all for pulling up, and we are out.